I just want to show you how flaky this is. Okay, this is flaky, buttery, melt in your mouth type. Hey guys, so today we're making a 15-minute meal. It actually only takes about 10 minutes in the oven, but with prep and everything, we're looking at about 15 minutes. So it is a salmon one-pan meal. I just picked up a big old slab of salmon from Costco, and I'm thinking since it's only Donnie and I, my fiance, for those of you that don't know, I think this is probably a big enough piece for both of us. We might even have some left over. So I'm gonna show you how I do this. You guys know that I have really long days, and sometimes at the end of the day, like the last thing we wanna do is cook for an hour, hour and a half, right? So right now we're just gonna, I'm just gonna put the parchment, since I already took it out, on our little baking sheet. I just spray it with a little bit of oil so it kind of sticks and it doesn't move all over the place. We're gonna use about half stick of butter. So I'm just gonna melt this really quickly for about 20 seconds or so, okay? So I'll be right back. So I ended up melting this for about 30 seconds. I'm gonna do a little scoop of garlic. Next, we're going to add some lemon juice. So, okay. Add a little salt. So this is gonna be our little lemon butter. You can use this for the veggies and the salmon, or just the salmon, or just the veggies. Okay, so our lemon garlic butter is all done. I'm gonna set this aside. So I'm gonna rinse these really quickly, and then we will move on and get this baby in the oven. So let's go ahead and place our salmon slab. I'm gonna place it right in the middle because our veggies will go around it. And if you have a bigger baking dish, then you know you can fit more veggies, but we're focused more on our protein today, so we're doing a lot of salmon, a lot. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our delicious garlic butter. So now we're gonna flip it over and make sure that we get some of this sauce on the other side as well. Salmon is so bomb. Season it a little, pepper. Our salmon is nicely seasoned. We have our garlic butter. Toss in our asparagus. And then we're gonna add in our red onion. Oh my gosh, guys, this is everything in life. I was gonna add the sauce, but I feel like I added a lot to the salmon, so the salmon's gonna be super, super flavorful. And for the veggies, you just wanna make sure they're seasoned with some salt and pepper. Take a look at this beauty. Huge slab of salmon. We could totally use some more veggies. Let's start in the oven. This is gonna go in at 400 degrees. This is gonna go in for 8 minutes. And then I'm gonna tell you what we're doing after that, okay? Our dinner is done. Take a look at this beauty. 15 minutes, guys, from start to finish. I swear, look at this. I mean, it looks beautiful. You're gonna have healthy fats. You're gonna have something nutritious for your body done like this. So I'm not going to do like a huge taste test because this is dinner. But I just want to show you how flaky this is, okay? This is flaky, buttery, melt in your mouth type fish. I'm just gonna get a little baby bite though, because you guys know that. Oh my God. Amazing. It's like you can't go wrong with salmon, you know? Wow. Yes. Boom. Don's gonna be so happy. I'm gonna serve this. We're gonna have dinner. I hope you guys really enjoyed this one-pan meal. This is just an easy meal idea that's gonna be delicious and you guys are going to love. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn your post notification on so you don't miss any of my future videos. Guys, I love you and I will see you on my next video. Mwah.